Comparison. Waterfall follows a rigid, linear progression from one phase to another. Changes are challenging to incorporate once a phase is completed. Agile allows for flexibility and responsiveness to changing requirements. Iterative development allows for early delivery of usable software and ongoing refinement based on feedback. Example: in a waterfall model, software requirements are gathered up front, followed by sequential design, development, and testing phases. Conversely, in Agile, development occurs in short iterations, with frequent demonstrations and feedback sessions to ensure alignment with user needs.